Water scarcity, seasonal variation, and social conflict in the mountain regions of Bangladesh. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Water is an essential for human survival and civilization. People of the mountain areas have limited access to modern life and water availability. The present study focuses on the water scarcity, seasonal variation, and social conflicts in mountain areas. A number of indicators, like people's perception of water scarcity, seasonal water availability, and their impact on social cohesiveness have been assessed. A well-structured questionnaire coupled with an interview schedule was used for data collection from the 60 households living in the mountainous 2 villages at Wagah Union of Kapatai, Upazalia under Rangmata district, Bangladesh. The study employed a multi-stage random sampling technique. The analysis reveals that 90% of respondents in Sapachari Montpara village mostly rely on spring for water, while 83% of respondents in Depatachari village depend on tube wells. The study also shows that 80% of respondents have experienced water scarcity in domestic use, while 90% of respondents have reported short duration of the rainy season causes water scarcity. More than 80% of respondents believe that shifting cultivation in upland catchment causes water quality degradation in the studied villages. Most of the respondents obtain water easily in a monsoon at Sapachari Montpara, while others get tube wells and traditional wells in all seasons. About 87% of respondents mentioned that forest conservation around the water sources can increase water availability.